All right, today I'm going to show you how to do the ECG on an Apple Watch. Right here is my Apple Watch, and I'm going to show you how to get to the ECG function in order to do the test on your Apple Watch. Now, my Apple Watch is on, it's on securely. The back of it is against my skin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go to the menu. So I'm going to press the button right here. And you see when you come up to the menu, it brings you to all the apps. And I'm just going to scroll down till I get to ECG. And you see that? This is the ECG right here. Electrocardio. Can someone help me out? Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and press that. And it gives instructions on how to do the ECG. It says in order to do the ECG, there's a heart right here. Of course, there's a time right there. It gives instructions to hold the finger on the crown right here. The crown, I guess, is the entire thing. The crown of the phone. And it's going to check the ECG right now. It says 18 seconds left. It says note, Apple Watch never checks for heart attacks. So that's important to note. And so before you're using this particular feature, you might want to read the instruction manuals on Apple Watch so you have the precise instructions on how to do this. So after the seconds are up, it gives this. And so it says sinus rhythm is 74 beats per minute, average. Okay, it says this ECG does not show signs of atrial fibrillation. Apple Watch cannot check for signs of heart attack. If you believe you are having a medical emergency, call emergency services. And it gives you this right here. It says not feeling well. Add symptoms. And then it says you can view your ECG on your iPhone in the Health app. So it gives all that. So it shows right here. It says sinus rhythm. Let's click on this I right here because it shows, this is for information, I believe. It says right here. It says sinus rhythm result. A sinus rhythm result means the heart is beating in a uniform pattern. This happens when the upper and lower chambers of the heart are beating in sync. A sinus rhythm result only applies to the particular recording and does not mean your heart beats with a consistent pattern at all times. So that's important information to know. I'm going to go back. Because, yes, this is a tool to where you can get a rough gauge of what your ECG is. However, this is not a professional equipment that you can get done in your physician's office. So keep that in mind when you're using this tool, as it is just a tool and not a precise as what you can get in a medical office. Now, read your owner's manual before you try this out. And note, this does not replace a professional, okay? All right, this is just a tool that the watch has on it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.